How to make TikTok video visible to only friends. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to make TikTok video visible to only friends. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. And then now, assuming that you have done updating your TikTok, make sure to click on open. And then let's proceed to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. So there are actually two ways in making the TikTok video visible to only friends. So the first way is whenever you change the privacy of your uploaded video. So go ahead on that video, click on the three dots found right here, and then choose the change privacy settings right here. And then you may choose who can watch this video. Make sure to click on friends only. And then now you may press on the X button right here. So now this video will only appear to your friends. So let's say for example now that you want to upload a video and that should be only visible to your friends. So let's proceed with the second way. Press on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen, and then you may choose your video from uploads or take a new video. So let's take a new video first, and then go to the check mark right here, click on next, or you may also click on privacy settings right here as well. You may choose only me or friends. So if you want to change it to friends, click on it, and then now proceed to next. And you may also change or modify the settings right here. So who can watch this video? Make sure to choose friends, and now you may post it right here. So that's it. That's how you can make TikTok video visible to only friends.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.